guys, Kirk here from Treehouse 51, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a sale on one of your WooCommerce products. So here's a WooCommerce product we have on our development site, and you can see that it says sale in the corner, and then the price has been reduced to $19.99. To achieve this effect, all you have to do is go to Edit Product, scroll down below the copy field, and right here where it says regular price and sales price, you have the option to add the prices. So you'll see that mine says $34 and the one below it says $19.99. Another cool feature that not a lot of people take advantage of is the schedule. You can actually set when you want this to start and when you want this to end. After you update these fields, make sure to go on top and select Update. And then all you have to do is view your product. And you'll see that the sale is still in place. If you want to get rid of that sale, all you have to do is delete the sale copy right there and get rid of this information and select Update. And then View Product. And you'll see that the sale has been removed. If you guys found this video helpful, please give us a like. If you have ideas on next videos we should be making, please leave us a comment below. We do read all comments. Thanks, guys.